A shadow glided across the deck of China's newest aircraft carrier, but that shadow spoke volumes. For the first time, China has publicly confirmed that its electromagnetic catapult system aboard the Fujian successfully launched a J-15T fighter jet. No dramatics, just raw technological progress. This isn't speculation. It's real, it's airborne, and it's changing everything. In this video, we break down how this launch was achieved and why it matters globally. China's third aircraft carrier, Fujian, has taken a major step toward full operational capability. Official footage released by CCTV shows a J-15T fighter jet positioned for takeoff aboard the carrier, followed by the launch command, Position 2, clear for takeoff. While the actual launch wasn't shown, a follow-up shot captured the jet airborne above the flight deck, a visual confirmation that Fujian's electromagnetic catapult system is working as intended. What makes this development so important is the leap in technology. The Fujian, launched on June 17, 2022, is the first Chinese carrier to feature electromagnetic catapults and arresting devices, replacing traditional steam or ski jump systems. It completed its first sea trial on May 1, 2024, and has since spent over 100 days at sea testing systems. These trials include propulsion, navigation, software integration, and, most recently, aircraft launch readiness. Electromagnetic catapults are significant because they offer smoother and more precise acceleration, allowing the launch of a wider range of aircraft, from lightweight drones to heavy fighter jets. This flexibility marks a major advancement in China's naval capabilities, aligning it more closely with the United States, whose Gerald R. Ford-class carriers use similar technology. The timing of the test footage also holds meaning. It was released just before the 98th anniversary of the PLA as part of a documentary series by CCTV. Alongside Fujian, the trailer highlighted advanced systems such as hypersonic vehicles, robotic dogs, drones, and a nuclear-powered submarine. It's a carefully timed reveal, signaling growing confidence in showcasing high-end defense technology to both domestic and global audiences. At the heart of Fujian's launch test is the J-15T, a specially modified variant of China's carrier-borne J-15 fighter. The J-15T represents a clear upgrade tailored for electromagnetic catapult launches. What makes the J-15T different? This aircraft includes structural reinforcements, digital fly-by-wire controls, and compatibility with EMALS, Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System. It's built to handle the precise acceleration required by Fujian's advanced launch system, something the older J-15 was not optimized for. The ability to fine-tune launch force ensures safer and more efficient takeoffs, even with variable payloads. According to military commentator Fujian, the use of the J-15T at sea demonstrates that China is entering a new phase of aircraft carrier operations. Tests previously confined to land-based simulators have now progressed to real conditions aboard a moving ship. These conditions are critical, as they allow for validation of catapult performance in real-time environments with constant motion and wind dynamics. Importantly, the J-15T acts as a bridge aircraft. It enables China to begin pilot training, flight deck coordination, and launch system calibration without waiting for future stealth fighters to become ready. The jet supports the development of doctrines and carrier group strategies, helping refine procedures for more complex air operations. The footage's partial nature, showing the aircraft in position and then airborne, without the actual takeoff, reflects China's measured approach to information disclosure. However, the message is unmistakable. Not only does Fujian have a working catapult system, but it's already launching compatible aircraft like the J-15T in real sea conditions. This integration milestone is significant because it proves that China now has the core technologies to support high-tempo, flexible air operations from sea, something that only a few nations have mastered. With the J-15T operational on Fujian, China is no longer testing theories. The successful integration of the J-15T with Fujian's electromagnetic catapult system is more than just a technological achievement. It's a development with global strategic implications. Up until now, only the United States Navy had demonstrated real-world use of EMALS technology aboard its Gerald R. Ford-class carriers. China's progress signals the arrival of another major player with advanced carrier launch capabilities. Electromagnetic systems like EMALS offer key advantages: faster launch cycles, greater reliability, and the ability to support a diverse range of aircraft. Unlike steam catapults, EMALS enables smoother acceleration that reduces stress on airframes, enhancing the longevity of aircraft and increasing sortie rates. This allows carriers like the Fujian to operate with greater efficiency in high-tempo missions, whether those involve surveillance, logistics, or joint air operations. The Fujian is expected to carry a mix of platforms, from fighter jets like the J-15T to future airborne early warning aircraft and unmanned aerial systems. The ability to launch and recover such a diverse air wing provides the Chinese Navy with a more adaptable and capable tool for operations at sea. The broader context adds even more weight. The test footage was released as part of a documentary series marking the 98th anniversary of the PLA, alongside clips showcasing other innovations like hypersonic weapons, drones, and nuclear-powered submarines. This media strategy presents a unified narrative. Technological readiness and modern capabilities are no longer future goals. They are actively being realized. From a regional perspective, Fujian's progress may influence how other nations approach naval planning and maritime coordination. It shows that China's carrier is not just symbolic, it's functional and nearing deployment. The sea trials and aircraft integration mark a shift toward practical application rather than demonstration alone. As China moves closer to officially commissioning the Fujian, likely by the end of 2025, global observers are taking notice. This carrier is not only a leap in hardware, but a signal of growing ambition in naval operations. It reflects how quickly China is adapting, learning, and accelerating its role in shaping the future of carrier-based aviation. Fujian has officially entered a new phase. With the J-15T flying from its deck and EMALS proving successful at sea, China now stands among the few nations capable of next-gen carrier aviation. This isn't just a display of technology. It's a shift in how air operations at sea will evolve. From electromagnetic launch precision to multi-aircraft adaptability, Fujian is redefining what's possible. As it approaches full commissioning, one thing is clear. This carrier isn't the future, it's the present, and the world is already adjusting to its presence on the horizon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.